Hey everybody, welcome back to Stack Snacks, where we try to make AI accessible and fun for everybody. Today's episode is going to be one for the developers, but I think everybody might be able to get a little nugget of something out of this one. I spent a lot of time this week using Claude 3.5 Sonnet and the artifacts feature, and I did a lot of my development work inside of that product this week, and I really made a conscious effort to use it as much as possible. And I know this has been talked about a lot in a lot of different circles, but I feel like able to accomplish in 45 minutes, hour and a half would be stuff that I feel like would just take me so much longer to get up and running by myself. And it really feels like it's going to change, I think, how we develop certain products. And I think it's going to be more, I found myself actually. So let's take a step back for a second. So if you haven't used Claude before, very much just like a ChatGPT text box chat interface, but they have this feature called artifacts, which will do some rendering of some web documents and do some other kind of computation. And I was building some utilities and building some web apps, and I found myself just wanting to move that code into a more permanent spot so that I can execute it. And it seems almost, what's the point of going back to coding without these features? But also, I think there will be an inevitable downside of all this, because I feel like depending on your project, it's just going to make you want to just reach for things that Claude knows how to do really well. I think frameworks and other types, like well-documented libraries, are just going to be the new most important things. And people are just going to probably make things like that, right, for AIs to consume. And I feel like also the servers, integrations, installing Python packages, installing NPM packages, not like little compatibility stuff. It's still going to probably be needed, but I really just can't wait for the time when Claude's going to be able to work with your GitHub projects maybe. And I think that, to me, with whatever product you're using, I think if you're a developer, you got to use Claude 3.5. You got to use it soon, because I really feel like it's going to be how a lot of things are made these days, for better, for worse. But that's a little thoughts on on development with Claude. We'd love to know your thoughts. Please give us a comment, like, subscribe, all that. And let us know if you're using Claude, or if you're using something else. Let us know for your coding projects. But well, thanks for stopping by. We'll see everybody soon. Thank you.